How to get a virtual number for verification on Instagram. Do you want to know how to easily and quickly get a virtual phone number for verification on Instagram? Keep watching and I will tell you everything. For these purposes, I will use the Grizzly SMS activation service, which offers temporary Instagram verification numbers from mobile operators from more than 100 countries around the world. Now, I will tell you step by step how to get a virtual number in Grizzly SMS and use it to verify your Instagram account. The first, go to the website grizzlysms.com. The link will be in the description below this video. The second, complete a simple registration. To create an account, simply provide your email and choose a password. The third, to make purchases, you need to top up your balance. Specify the amount and the method of transfer. Several options are available, among which you can choose the optimal one. The fourth, after registration, you can proceed to purchase a number, but first, it's better to familiarize yourself with the prices for the service you're interested in. To do this, in the service selection menu, select Instagram. Specify the country. You can choose it from the list or enter it in the search field. After purchase, the virtual number can be used to create a profile. Click on the checkbox next to the Receive Numbers label and then select Top Up Balance. Choose a convenient payment method and click Select. Enter the required amount to top up. Click on the Pay button. The site will redirect us to enter the details. Enter the necessary information to top up your account. Go to the Instagram website or app, depending on whether you're using a mobile device or a computer. Specify the number. Now let's move on to the most important step. Return to the Grizzly SMS website. A message with the activation code should arrive here. Copy it and enter it in the corresponding field during registration. Registration is successfully completed and the issue that arose is resolved. Grizzly SMS is a reliable and convenient solution for those who want to register an account on Instagram while preserving their anonymity and confidentiality. Try this method and appreciate all its benefits.